Hello editors, welcome back. In this video, I will give you a free CC pack that you can use in your edits. Each CC has different color correction. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like this video. So, without wasting any time, let's move to preview.